Coughing, either viral or allergic, is one of the characteristics of winter. A tea with garlic, cinnamon, and clove can lessen this symptom, and you will learn this recipe today. These ingredients contain antioxidants, which are anti-inflammatory substances that help treat cough. Coughing is a natural reaction to eliminate lung secretions and is caused by cold, flu, and/or respiratory allergies. Check out the benefits of these ingredients. Garlic is antimicrobial, antifungal, antiviral, expectorant, antioxidant, immunostimulant, antispasmodic, and antithrombotic. It acts as support in the treatment of chronic bronchitis, asthma, and symptoms of common cold and flu. Cinnamon is classified as a warm plant and has anti-inflammatory, tonic, astringent, and antimicrobial properties. Because of its properties, cinnamon can control symptoms of cold, flu, fever, cough, and airways. And since it is anti-allergic, it can be used for rhinitis, especially when caused by the cold and humidity, and for stomach aches, gas, and nausea. Clove is antispasmodic, antioxidant, and antimicrobial. Thanks to its vitamin C, it increases the white blood cells in the body and fights infections, which improves our immunity. To lessen these symptoms, make the following recipe. You will need 17 ounces of water, 1 garlic clove, 1 cinnamon stick, and 2 cloves. Directions: boil the cloves and cinnamon stick in water for 5 minutes. Remove from heat. Mash the garlic clove and add it to the tea. Leave it closed for 10 minutes. After that, strain and drink 2 to 3 cups throughout the day. Besides alleviating your cough, this infusion also strengthens the immune system, improves blood circulation, and controls cholesterol levels. Try it and share your experience.